Hey, you've probably seen the gelatin trick popping up everywhere by now, right? And if you are here right now in this video, it is likely because you want to understand what it's really about. You see, not just hear the same unclear explanations over and over again that some people are mentioning, right? But guys, you see, the truth is actually that most videos barely scratch the surface. I mean, they do mention the gelatin trick, but they don't quite explain the real purpose behind this daily ritual or why so many people are actually going with it. So I do want to talk to you about this because it's not a recipe, it's not a trend, it's just like a simple tiny little habit that you put into your lifestyle, that you incorporate into your routine. And it's a habit that lots and lots of people use when they're aiming to feel more balanced, when they're aiming to feel lighter, when they're aiming to actually enjoy what they are looking at in the mirror. So I do know the full tutorial or explanation, it's kind of extensive, right? But when it comes to your health, understanding the full why is what really matters. So that's exactly why it's worth watching. And I want to tell you guys that if you want to see how the gelatin trick is meant to be used and really understand the complete context of it, you'll find their official link in the description box of this video. And I just so happen to pin it on the very first comment below as well, just so you're going to the right place and that you can check everything safely and decide for yourselves. All right. But I'll tell you more. This gelatin trick is something that lots of people are really having great results with it, are really enjoying, and it's changing their lives for the better. Okay. So do pop over to that link to know more about the gelatin trick. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you folks next time. Bye.